Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage, bringing you another video to help keep your Mustang on the road and out of the garage. Today we're working on this gorgeous 1965 Mustang fastback. This is an early build fastback, October of 1964 build fastback, honey gold. 8 code 289, 4-speed, absolutely gorgeous. So if you're new to the channel and you're starting to see a lot more of my videos and you're getting good quality content out of what you're seeing, you enjoy what you're seeing, let's go ahead and have you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell. That does help us to stay motivated, to keep making more quality videos for you guys to help keep your Mustangs on the road and out of the garage. So another problem that we're experiencing with this car is the speedometer doesn't work. And on top of that, the odometer rolls backwards. So, we're going to dive into that today. We're going to figure out if we have the correct driven gear on the cable and or drive gear on the tail shaft of the transmission, which is kind of my assumption. If the speedometer doesn't work, the odometer is going backwards. Yeah, we got something wrong. We got a wrong gear. We got a wrong gear in there somewhere. So that's what today's video is going to be all about, is why my speedometer doesn't work. Okay, we're up in the air. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to pull out the speedometer cable. There'll be a gear on the end of this. We're going to see what type of gear we have. We know something's turning because the odometer rolls backwards, but the speedometer just doesn't move up at all. So we're going to take a look and see what we have and go from there. Okay, you can actually get a long extension and a socket and go right through the transmission cross member. You can get a socket on that, pull that little bolt out. Okay, now your bolt's out, your retainer bolt. Should be able to pop out right here. Maybe. These normally come out a lot easier. If I'm having to pry it out, that tells me something ain't right. So right away, I can see that the teeth on this gear are just completely worn, and it's a brand new gear on there. Okay, so you probably can't see with the camera the gear that's inside on the output shaft of the transmission. But this gear right here is the correct gear for a top loader, and the teeth are rolling in this direction. Okay, that's for a top loader. The gear he has inside are actually flowing in the opposite direction. So he has the wrong gear on the tail shaft of this transmission. It's probably maybe a gear for a C4, where the speedometer cable is meant to enter on the opposite side. Here's a good look at that speedometer gear. Because it has the wrong gear on the tail shaft, it's actually kind of flattened out all these teeth on this. They usually go like diagonal, like this or like this, and now they're just all kind of straightened out. Kind of destroyed this. So first thing we're going to do is pull the clip out, pull the gear off. You kind of see how it's just kind of worn that out, wrong gears. So anyway, next step, we'll show you how to pull off the tail shaft of this top loader.